Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am now dealing with 8th class maths, frequency distribution tables and graphs, exercise 7.2. In the 3 sums I have already done, 4th one. In the following group frequency distribution table, class marks are given. So these are all the class marks: 10, 22, 34, 46, 58, 70, and frequency 6, 14, 20, 21, 9 and 5. So by using this data, construct class intervals of the data. They are asking to find out class intervals of the data, exclusive type of class interval they are asking, and construct LCF less than cumulative frequency and greater than cumulative frequency. So first, if you want to construct class intervals, first you need to find out height. Height, how will you calculate? Height means what, children? It is nothing but the size of the class. How will you get this size of the class? By finding the difference between the two class marks. That is 22 minus 10. 12 is H value. Now, how will you find out lower limit? Lower limit you can find out x, that is a class mark, minus h by 2. Now the first class mark is 10 by 12 by 2. 2 1s are 2 6 are 10 minus 6, that is 4. So lower limit of the first class interval is 4. 2. Upper limit. What is upper limit? Upper limit is x plus h by 2. That is 10 plus 12 by 2. 6 are 10 plus 6, that is 16. So upper limit is 16. So after getting first class interval, you can continue the next classes. As we know, the size of the class is 12. Keep on adding 12 on lower limit, adding 12 on upper limit. So 4 plus, this is 4 to 16 means 16. 2, add 12, that is 28. Then 28 to here, if you add 12, 40. Next 40 to 52, 52 to 64. So you have prepared class intervals with the help of the given data. After finding class intervals, cumulative frequencies: less than cumulative frequency, greater than cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative frequency, as I said, we should start with the least class interval, that is 4. So for this is 6. 6 plus 14, 20, 20 plus 20, 40, 40 plus 21, 61, 61 plus 9, 70, 70 plus 5, 75. So this is less than cumulative frequency. Now greater than cumulative frequency should start with the greater value, that is 5 here, and 5 plus 9, 14, 14 plus 21, 35. 14 plus 21 is 35. 35 plus 20, 55. 55 plus 14, 69. 69 plus 6, 75. So this is how you are writing greater than cumulative frequency, less than cumulative frequency. So once again, see, they have given class marks, they have given 10, 22, 34, 46, 58, 70, and frequency 6, 14, 20, 21, 9, 5. So class marks I have written, frequencies I have written. Now the first one, construct class intervals of the data. Exclusive type of class interval they are asked. So, how will you write class intervals? To find out class intervals, first you should know what is H. H is the size of the class. How will you find out size of the class? By using class marks. 22 minus 10, that is 12. So, lower limit, how will you get? X. X means the class mark minus H by 2. That is 10 minus 12 by 2, that is 6, that is 4. So, 4 is the lower limit. Then upper limit x plus h by 2, 10 plus 12 by 2, that is 10 plus 6, 16. So first class interval 4 to 16 I have got. Next 16 to 28. Keep on adding 12, 12, 12 children. 28 to 40, 40 to 52, 50 to 64. 52 to 64. So these are the class intervals that I have written. Next, less than cumulative frequency should start with the least value 6, 6 plus 14, 20, 20 plus 20, 40, 40 plus 21, 61, 61 plus 9, 70, 70 plus 5, 75. Now greater than cumulative frequency should start with the greater value. So here frequency 5, 5 plus 9, 14, 14 plus 21, 35, 35 plus 20, 55, 55 plus 14, 69, 69 plus 6, 75. So this is how these answers can be written, children. Note it down. Now, marks obtained by 35 students in a test in statistics are as follows. They have given the marks. Now, the question is construct a frequency distribution table with equal class intervals and one of them be 10 to 20. So, one of the class intervals should be 10 to 20. So, first let us see what is the least value. So, in this line, I told you earlier also, children, write least values here and greatest values so that you can easily identify which is the least value and which is the greatest value. So in this line, 1 is the least value. This is 35, 45. So here highest value 45 and least value 20, 11. 11 is the least value. Highest value 48. Yes, 48 is the highest value. Again, least value here 5 I have. That's all. 5 is the least value. Highest 27, 37, 39, 41. 41 is the highest value. And here the least value is 43. Highest value is 47. So in this, the least one is 0, 1 and the highest one is 48. So, whatever class intervals you are writing, that should include these two. So, when you are writing class intervals, you should start 1 means 10 to 20, they said means 10 10 group. So, start with 0. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. You have more than 40. So, 40 to 50. These are class intervals. Next, you have to go for tally marks. Already I have told you how you have to do 35. 35 will come here. 1 here. 15 here. 35 again here. 45 here. 23 here. 31 here. 40 here. 21 here. 13 here. 15 here. 20 here. 47 here. 48 here. 42 4 completed, fifth one. 34 here. 43 here. 45 here, 33 here, 5, 37 will be here, 11 will be here, 13. So it will be here, 27 here, 18 here, sorry children, 12 here, 37 here, 39 here, 38 here, 16 here, sorry children, 13 here, 18 here, again once again, 5 will come here, 41 here, 47 here, 43 here. So tally marks I have written. Now frequency. Frequencies. Here you have got only 2, 5 and 5, 10. This is 4, 5, 4, 9, 5 and 5, 10. So let us total. You see, this is 6 plus 9, 15, 35. So see, they have given 35 students. So our distribution of frequency is correct. Sorry children, once again. Marks obtained by 35 students, raw data is given. You need to construct a frequency distribution table which is having 10 to 20 like that class intervals. So first let us find out what is the least value, what is the greatest value. Every line, least here, greatest here I have written, so that I got what is least, what is greatest. In this case, I am finding least and greatest so that I can understand where up to what I should write class intervals. Sorry. From which number to which number I should write, I have done. So here class intervals should start with 1 means 0 because 10 to 20 are there given, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 because highest is 48. Now tally marks as I have done. You might have seen this children. Tally marks. Count the tally marks. I have got frequencies. If you add frequencies, whatever total you have got, that should be same as the problem. I have got it. So this is how we need to write frequency distribution table, children. Please note it. Now, sixth problem, children. Construct class boundaries less than cumulative frequency and greater than cumulative frequency. This is the problem that is given to us. Ages, that is class intervals are given and number of children are given. So let me write ages. Ages in the sense I'll write it as class interval. Class intervals 1 to 3, 4 to 6, 7 to 9, 10 to 12, 13 to 15. And frequencies 10, 12, 15, 13 and 9. Now with the help of this you need to first find out class boundaries. Class boundaries. As this is inclusive type of class interval, there is a gap of 1. I told you 1 to 3, 4 to 6, 7 to 9. See, there is a gap of 1 here. So to fill that, to write the limits are different, boundaries are different for this class interval. Lower limit, upper limit, 1 and 3. Lower boundary, upper boundary you will be getting by subtracting 0.5 here So 1 minus 0.5, that is 0.5, to add 0.5 here, 3.5. And here 4 means 3.5 to 6 means 6.5. Next 7 means 6.5 to 9 means 9.5. Next 10 means again 9.5 to 12 means 12.5. 13 means 12.5 to 15 means 15.5. This is how we'll write boundaries, children. How? By reducing 0.5 from first one, by adding 0.5 to the upper limit. Lower limit minus 0.5, upper limit plus 0.5. So that, see, this is inclusive type of class interval. It is becoming exclusive type in this way. Now, we need to find out less than cumulative frequency. So, least value is this. So, this is 10 as it is 10 plus 12, 22. 22 plus 15, 37. 37 plus 3, 13. 3, 7 plus 3, 10, 50. 50 plus 9, 59. Okay. So 59, are we getting 59 here also? Let us see. This is 2, 3, 5, 5, 10, 10, 9, 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 59. So this is right. Now, greater than cumulative frequency. It should be started with the greatest value, that is 9. 9 plus 13, 22. 13 plus 9, 22. 22 plus 15. 15 means this is 37. 22 plus 15, 37 plus 12. 12 means 49. 49 plus 10, 59. So, greater than cumulative frequency. This is greater than cumulative frequency. So, whatever they have asked, we have done, children. So, let us see once again. Class boundaries, less than cumulative frequency, greater than cumulative frequency. They asked us to do with ages and number of children. 1 to 3, 4 to 6, 7 to 9, 10 to 12, 13 to 15 are the class intervals. 10, 12, 15, 13, 9 are the frequencies. So, class intervals I wrote, frequencies I have written. Now, class boundaries. This is inclusive type of class interval. So, one gap is there. So, we have to subtract 0.5 here, add 0.5 here. 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5, 2, 3 plus 0.5 is 3.5. Again, 3.5 to 6.5, 6.5 to 9.5, 9.5 to 12.5, 12.5 to 15.5. Less than cumulative frequency with the least value 10, 10 plus 12, 22, 22 plus 15, 37, 37 plus 13, 50, 50 plus 9, 59. Is it right or not? I am adding, I have got 59, so it is correct. Greater than cumulative frequency with the greatest number 9. 9 plus 13, 22. 22 plus 15, 37. 37 plus 12, 49. 49 plus 10, 59. So, this is the answer for sixth problem, children. Note it down. Now, seventh one, children. Cumulative frequency table is given. So, this table is cumulative frequency table. Which type of cumulative frequency is given, and you have to build frequency for it. So, runs means class intervals 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Now you have cumulative frequency. What are they? 3, 8, 19, 25, 30. See, since cumulative frequency least value is at least class interval, so the given one is the given cumulative frequency is less than cumulative frequency. So the first bit I have finished. Now you have to find out frequencies for it. How will you write frequency? See, when you are writing frequency, when frequency to cumulative frequency, first number as it is we write. So let me write it as 3. Now the next ones are corresponding uh, cumulative frequencies difference. So 3 plus something is 8 here. That means 8 minus 3 I should write. 8 minus 3 is 5. How did I get? 8 minus 3. Now 19 minus 8, that is 11. 19 minus 8. And 25 minus 12, that is 6. 25 minus 19. Next, 30 minus 25, 5. 30 minus 25 is 5. So this is how we have written cumulative frequency. If you add it, how much am I getting? This is 5 plus 5, 10, 19, 20 and 30. See, this and this are same. So our problem is right. So they have asked only to do this, children. What is given to us? Runs, that is class intervals, are given and cumulative frequencies are given to us. So cumulative frequencies are 3, 8, 19, 25, 30. So which type of cumulative frequency? See, from least value it has gone to greatest. So it is called less than cumulative frequency. So by using it, you have to prepare the frequency table. How will you prepare the frequency table? First, always cumulative frequency and frequency will be same. Then the next one, see, this plus this should be here. That means 8 minus 3, 5. Again, 8 plus 11 should be 19. How will you get 19 minus 8? 11. 25 minus 19, 6. 30 minus 25, 5. So if you add also, you have got 30, children. So our solution is correct. Please note it down. Now, eighth sum. Number of readers in a library are given. Write frequencies and less than cumulative frequency. Here they have given the number of books means class interval 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50. Then they have given greater than cumulative frequency. Greater than cumulative frequency, they have given 42, 36, 23, 14 and 6. Now you need to find out what is the frequency. As we know, greater than cumulative frequency will start with the greatest value. So this 6 and this 6 is same. You have to take 6 as frequency. Then 14 minus 6, that is 8. So 6 plus 8 is 14. Again, this is how much I have got? 14 minus 6, I have got it as 8. Now the next one, 23 minus 14, that is 9. 23 minus 14. Next, 36 minus 23 is 13. 36 minus 23. Next, after 13, 42 minus 36 is 6. 42 minus 36. So let us add this 9, 10, 11, 12, 18, 19, 20, 26, 26, 4, 32, 32. So it is 42. So these two are same. So our frequency is same. So from greatest value we have done. Okay. Now after frequency we need to find out less than cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative frequency should be started with the least frequency. The 1 to 10 frequency here. This is 6. 6 plus 13 is 19. 19 plus 9. 28. 28 plus 8. 36. 36 plus 6. 42. So this is less than cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative frequency. So this is what they have asked us to do, children. Once again, they have given number of books 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50. Greater than cumulative frequency 42, 36, 23, 14, 6. Now you need to find out frequency and less than cumulative frequency. So class interval here greater than cumulative frequency. Now frequency greater than cumulative frequency starts with the greatest value. So whatever is this value, this as it is will be writing. And before it number means these two you have to subtract. 14 minus 6 is 8. 23 minus 14 is 9. 36 minus 23 is 13. 42 minus 36 is 6. This is possible only when you have a thorough knowledge about what is GCF, children. See, we can check. First, frequency 6 as it is. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 9, 23. 23 plus 13, 36. 36 plus 6, 42. So this is how we have written frequency. After writing frequency, you have to go for less than cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative frequency, we need frequencies. And class center. Here, least value is here. So I should start with this 6 as it is. 6 plus 13, 19. 19 plus 9, 28. 28 plus 8, 36. 36 plus 6 is 42. So total of frequency 42, here 42, here 42. So our sum is correct. This is how you need to do this, children. So with this exercise is finished. In the next class, I will do the next part.